Room 2103 in the villas. Comes with 3 bottles stocked, Absolute, Johnny Walker, and some rum. And then the fridge also comes with some beers and some waters and sodas, mixers. There's a coffee maker. At this time, there's no margarita maker. There's the front entrance and the front table, big mirror, big sectional couch. It's decorated right now for my wife's birthday, which is nice that they were able to do that for us. Big 65-inch TV on this side. We bought the snacks with our points at the store. Here is the bedroom area. Another 65-inch TV while you're in bed. And here is the bathroom area. It's got a nice door for effect, not privacy. The soaking tub, nice and big. Probably won't be getting in there. They got double vanity with a light up mirror. The toilet area. Walk-in closet with a safe. And one of the best parts, the shower area. Has a double rainfall shower head. Nice scene outside with the rocks. And an outdoor shower. Another rainfall shower head. And the seating area when you're in the shower. Let's see if I can't open these blinds without losing these balloons. I'll show you the patio, which is nice and spacious. Oops. Oh, we lost the balloon. Got your own little pool. Pool closes at, I think he said 7:30 right now, probably because that's when it gets dark. So having this room, you get your own pool that you can use all night. Walk over here and give you an entire view of the patio. Patio has a nice table out here. Coffee table with a little love seat sofa. And here's a view from the room. In these villas, there's no ocean view because the ocean is right over there. Or you to get your own private adults-only bar area. And there you have it. This is the villa in room 2103.